Hey y'all!
Hey y'all!
We're in Mexico.
Just arrived in Ensenada. This is a spot that iOverlander says is okay to sleep for a night. So we thought we'd
Scope it out.
and you know, in a pinch it would work, but I think we're gonna just hang out in the city for the afternoon and then head down the coast and find camping someplace a little more natural where we can actually get out at night and pee without any
There's
crazy
just
fears.
not much cover here.
Anyhow, gone are the days of the north end of our trip and
Here we go.
we're heading south.
Fernandez. It's 7 a.m. and the wind has blissfully died down. We have that sand dune we're camped behind. It protects us from the rising sun over the Sea of Cortez. It's pretty awesome. We've just been moving. Before we went to bed, they set off legit fireworks, like way up high. It was like a throwback to being in Alaska and Canada where everyone just shoots guns recreationally at all the campgrounds.
It was cool.
I just wanted to share how beautiful this spot is right here, right now. Papa Fernandez. Boo, 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 boo.
Pretty sure you just
Slip it on.
Awesome. Where you guys go?
To Bahia Los Angeles?
Ugh.
No.
No?
Sweet home.
We've not seen a single human being since
Coco.
Coco's Corner. I woke up and heard many different sounds.
Putting my money on possums.
So yeah, they made this kind of like sound, it's like they're communicating in
Goblin whispers. sandy riverbed through a narrow canyon.
No one's ever run into trouble doing this. Mm-mm. Scott is simply letting the Joan take us where she wants us to go.
absolutely beautiful. There's waves crashing everywhere, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like out the back. We just have such a view of
Okay, so we just rolled into Mulegé, and we're right near Sea of Cortez, which is on the other side of that hill. We have Wi-Fi here. This is a paid campsite. Pretty sweet. It's 200 pesos per night, which for us equates to about $10. And all kinds of amenities. There's freshwater spigot. Each site is surrounded by banana trees, canna lilies, papaya trees, and all sorts of cool stuff. No charge for the showers. So, you know, pretty good deal.
This is what's the draw to the birds.
5K in Mulegé. Out of control.
What's up?
Mr. Mike.
Hey.
That's, well, you know. And Steve.
Hola, amigos.
And we.
This is windy.
That's windy.
What day is it? August 3rd or something?
It's November 3rd. We are on Playa Escondida. It's really pleasant here. It's our best snorkeling yet. This guy perks up, we might go for a snorkel.
Yesterday I woke up, threw up in the sand. It was bad. First half of the day I couldn't keep water in. Stomach cramps and body chills, fever, head cold. Had zero food all day yesterday, and today I decided to start off with lots of water and coffee because the nausea seems to have left. Just not feeling like snorkeling.
Okay, so on the bright side, when he vomited, he didn't make it to the bathroom. That would have been horrible.
Those bathrooms are really stinky.
Like, you just
bad.
don't want to be feeling bad and curling into a pit toilet.
Right.
So I'm going to count that as a blessing.
Yeah. Luckily we carry a shovel. I was able to clean up my mess.
It's pretty close quarters here on the Palatas, so when you toss your cookies, it's no secret.
Especially if you scream and yell while you're throwing up like I do.
Yeah, it's kind of like a dinosaur roaring into the sand.
It's like something inside me thinks it's gonna go better if I yell it out.
But back to how cool this place is.
Excuse me.
But yeah,
Excuse me, guys.
poor Scott.